Hello happy people, this is your host Crypto Puffy and welcome to our show. Cryptocurrencies are a new asset class with a great potential to grow. In fact, many individuals and institutions have shown a lot of interest in trading crypto, especially in the last 1 year. With the growing number of traders interested in this asset class, there is a need for an institutional-grade platform based on AI and blockchain technologies that will enable traders to leverage the potential of cryptocurrencies. Furthermore, the cryptocurrency market runs 24/7 and doesn't close, which means that as a trader, you often wake up to big moves in the market and many missed trading opportunities. Sound familiar? Well, this is where BCube comes into the picture. BCube is a platform that leverages on AI to empower humans. In this video, we are going to do a general and high-level review of BCube, explain what it is, the main features, how it works, and its upcoming public sale on Zendit. Be sure to watch this video until the very end, especially if you'd love to take advantage of good trade opportunities and make more profits without having to stare at your screen all the time. This video is the first in a series of videos on BCube, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you when we post new updates. Before we jump into the video, please note that the content here is meant for education and entertainment purposes only and is not to be used as financial advice. It may be wise to check your financial advisor as your capital may be at risk. With that said, let's go! What is BCube? BCube is the ultimate all-in-one artificial intelligence-driven platform for crypto traders. Whether you are a beginner, intermediate or advanced cryptocurrency trader, there is no denying that losses can be devastating. But what can be even more depressing is not being able to take advantage of all favorable market movements and earning the profits you rightfully deserve. But worry no more, as BCube is here to put all your worries to rest. BCube aims to bring the retail traders a trading platform of institutional grade quality and beyond, hence providing you with everything you need in order to succeed at trading crypto. The goal of BCube is to integrate seamlessly with the centralized and decentralized world of cryptocurrencies under a unified blockchain ecosystem. This will inaugurate a new era for the financial industry and make it fully transparent, fair and efficient. BCube will also make it possible for you to monitor all your assets from one single place with a clean UI UX, whether it's for a centralized exchange or decentralized exchange. It will allow you to trade on autopilot mode with automatic trading bots and social copy trading features, and also will get you access to an extensive marketplace of premium quality bots, trading signals and educational contents. Through BCube, you also get access to in-house strategies using AI ML, which enable you to adapt to the cryptocurrency market. If you prefer to explore your creativity and build your own AI ML bot on top of BCube already working strategies, guess what? This is also allowed within the platform. And just in case you are a beginner and you are not exactly sure how strategies work in the cryptocurrency space, fear not. BCube has plenty of educational courses, webinars, community and consultancy to bring you up to speed. If you are not yet convinced that BCube is a big one, then consider that there are several partners on board with BCube, from Binance, Binance Futures, FTX, BitMEX and even KuCoin. You need to know that the platform has also been featured by several big media names like Forbes, CES, Mediness, Kisafold, Startup or Nappy.hu. This is an indication that it has proven its worth in terms of eliminating the common pitfalls faced by many crypto traders. Which brings us to the question, which problems does BCube hope to solve and how? Before we jump into the problem that BCube is solving, let us look briefly at what makes it unique and different from all other crypto trading platforms. As we mentioned before, BCube is working to develop the most advanced crypto trading bots platform. This means that, apart from high leverages and the rainbow of trading indicators that many other crypto trading platforms provide, BCube offers traders a trading buddy. As you may know, a trading bot can be helpful in many ways, but perhaps the most useful is that it doesn't sleep or never gets tired. This means that it will enter into most fruitful trades and earn profits for you while you do other things, provided you program it correctly, of course. Other aspects that give BCube an edge also include scientific AI-based strategies provided by the best institutions experts, which go beyond institutional grade, profit-sharing smart contracts which are unique and allow clients to pay for services only when they earn, and also support for both centralized and decentralized exchange in one platform. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Are you enjoying the video so far and getting value from it? If yes, then please hit that like button. Also, subscribe if you haven't done so already, press the bell icon so that you will always be notified about our newest videos. And just in case you are new here, our channel is your home of all amazing facts and latest developments in the world of cryptocurrencies. On to the problems that Bcube is attempting to solve and how it is doing this. If you are familiar with Cointelegraph, then you might know of their famous discovery that 95% of cryptocurrency traders are losing money for various reasons. These are the same problems Bcube attempts to solve, and they include an overall lack of transparency in crypto assets management, making it difficult for investors to give their trust, the level of expertise required to build a bot being too high, inability to find quality and relevant information especially as a beginner trader, difficulty in differentiating between quality signals providers and total scams, too many tools required to trade which prompts you to have too many tabs open, difficulty in understanding the working of DeFi which is made worse by too many related tools and services, and the last but not the least, paying for bots even when they don't earn profits. Again, quite familiar, aren't they? On top of this, there are inherent challenges that come with crypto trading. First, the cryptocurrency market is one that is very volatile, which means that there are often too many movements too many times. This leaves you with a lot of information to process in order to execute just one profitable trade, and considering that our data processing power is limited, then it might seem better to have a trading body close by. Secondly, as we mentioned earlier, the cryptocurrency market doesn't sleep. Wish we could say the same about the traders, but it's not the case. This means that once you close your eyes, there is always the risk of missing out on that big move you've been waiting for. Lastly, with many traders developing a liking for crypto, there are also many upcoming management and brokerage firms that are not regulated. This means that the funds you deposit into their wallet for your trading may very well disappear into thin air, leaving you a victim of a Ponzi scheme. So, how does Bcube propose to solve these legitimate concerns? Well, we already saw earlier that Bcube provides an all-integrated trading platform that leverages the power of AI and ML. This provides crypto traders with all the tools needed to maximize profits in one single user-friendly interface, which can be further broken down into several components of Bcube solutions. First, a marketplace of best quality trading signal and bots. Second, an AI-driven quantitative finance, in-house institutional grade execution engine, in-house sentiment and analysis engine, your own AI ML bots, non-custodial and regulated profit sharing smart contracts, high quality educational content, solution for CeFi and DeFi, and of course easy to use platform. Are you still unsure about Bcube? Well, then please keep watching the video. Moving on to tokenomics, Bcube is a token that fuels the Bcube ecosystem in gaining access to free trading, signals, bots, education courses, and various other benefits. This is done mainly by staking the required number of Bcube tokens, where you get extra benefits by holding for certain periods of time and earn interest by participating in the liquidity pool. The APR is paid on an hourly basis. Recently, Bcube announced their token sale, which will happen on May 14, 2021 around 15:30 p.m. Central East European Time, and will end on June 27, 2021 around midnight. It will take place on Zendit, and there will be 25 million Bcube tokens for sale. The acceptable currencies are ETH and USDT, and the minimal transaction amounts will be $500. Feel free to check out the announcements on Twitter for more details, but it's important to note that the clients round 1 and 2 are sold out, and so are the pre-seed and seed rounds. After this, the next step will be public sale, which will go around $0.20 per each Bcube. We shall be sharing these updates as they are released, so be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss them. The initial token distribution as well as the sales distribution details are available on Bcube's official website, so be sure to check them out there as well. The Bcube platform is considered the most advanced, all-integrated trading platform to provide institutional-grade tools for the retail traders in one single place. It comes with various fascinating features which we'll look at in more details in a later video. In that video, we'll take you through the platform, how it works, and giving you a feel of the interface, trade executions, and so on. Be sure to keep in touch so that you don't miss it. Next up, Bcube has defined a clear roadmap for the next years to accomplish their vision. Q1 and Q2 of 2021 were set for client rounds, pre-seed and seed sales of Bcube tokens, and private sale and public sale of Bcube tokens. The third and fourth quarters have so many project milestones, a clear sign of project's ambition. In fact, Bcube has milestones set out all the way to third quarters of 2023. Last but not least, Bcube's team of professionals has a strong background in the asset management industry, trading, IT, mathematics, blockchain, and artificial intelligence, and backed by a world-class advisory board. The advisory board is a mix of science, business, blockchain, and legal expertise, all of which will give assurance about Bcube's competence. And of course, there are various communication channels that you can use to reach out to Bcube. You could read their FAQ sections to understand the project better, write to them through their official email, or follow them on Twitter, Telegram, or Discord. Well, that's all we had for today, and we hope that you enjoyed it. Please be sure to like the video if you got value from it, and make sure you subscribe and click the bell button so you never miss any of our videos in the future. Until next time, cheers guys, bye bye!